Good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here again in South Louisiana, making another video today. This video is another video in the series of videos for beginners to learn how to restore their outboard motors. And today we're going to make a video of how to test your gear case once you've changed the impeller by putting it in a bucket of water. So I'll put a video together to show you how to do that, and I'll talk to you after the video. Here we go. Simply put a 1/2-inch drill on the drive shaft, place the gear case in a 5-gallon bucket of water, make sure the water pump is below the water level, spin the drive and watch the water come out about 3 or 4 inches all it do it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little video. It's a nice little trick to be able to check your water pump. There's nothing worse than taking the gear case off, replacing the impeller, and putting it back on the motor only to find out that it doesn't pump water. So doing this little trick in the bucket will allow you to test the water pump that you've changed to make sure it's working before you put it back together. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on subscribe down below to get more T-Mike videos, and you can also follow me on my Facebook page at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards on Facebook. Thank you all very much. Les bon temps.